The Hereafter 24. The thing to remember is that in reality each person who will end up in hell takes the fire, which they will encounter in hell, with them from this world in the form of their sins. When a Muslim engraves this reality into their mind, they will observe each sin, major or minor, as a piece of unbearable fire. The same way a person avoids fire in this world, they should avoid sins, as it is hidden fire which will be shown to them in the hereafter. In addition, a Muslim should not live in heedlessness and believe they can simply claim love for Allah, the Exalted, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, without supporting this verbal declaration with actions. If this was true, then the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, would not have strived so hard in the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and they undoubtedly understood Islam and Judgment Day better than the people after them. Simply put, a declaration of love without actions will not save one from hell. In fact, it has been made clear that some Muslims will enter hell on Judgment Day. The Muslim who abandons sincerely obeying Allah, the Exalted, by using the blessings they have been granted, in ways pleasing to Him, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, should understand that their attitude may cause them to lose their faith before their death, so that they enter Judgment Day as a non-Muslim, which is the greatest loss. The same way one would not enter a battle without armor and a shield, a Muslim should not enter Judgment Day without the armor and shield of obeying Allah, the Exalted. Otherwise, the same way the soldier who has no protection will most likely be harmed, so will a Muslim who reaches Judgment Day without the protection provided by the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim should remember that the luxuries and pleasures of the material world they enjoyed will not make them feel better if they end up in hell. In fact, it will only make them feel worse. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.